5G and industrial-grade quality of service. Every industrial network has its own features and requirements that need to be considered. The core requirements are bandwidth and data rate, device density, reliability, and latency. These needs can be managed dynamically within the scope of service-level agreements. This ensures reliability and consistency even if individual requirements fluctuate. PDU sessions ensure quality of service in industrial end devices. An end device sends data to the industrial application in IP packets. The 5G user plane function does the work. PDU sessions can be broken down into quality of service flows. These discrete connections ensure prioritized execution of filtered packets. The flows can have different priorities. To ensure that a 5G system has the required features, it's subjected to intensive stress tests in a safe environment before being deployed. The systems for communication, automation, and applications are tested to make sure they can link communication devices and operational technology and deliver true end-to-end industrial quality of service. Step into the future with industrial-grade 5G quality of service solutions.